right, let's have a quick vote. Which car do you think thieves would want to steal more? The Civic or the Lamborghini?
Lamborghini.
Alright. Alright, well, I know you guys would think it'd be the Lamborghini, but they'd actually want to steal the Civic more. Because imagine driving down 101 with the Lamborghini versus the Civic. This one would get you, like, would be the cop magnet, versus that one would just like subtly allow you to go by if you're a car thief. So, as a mechanical engineer here at Honda, I have something known as driver's paranoia, which is I get pretty paranoid about where I park, the people who park next to me, who potentially could park next to me. And here at Honda, we want to promote the desirability and reputation of our cars. So we would never want our cars to be labeled as something as Grand Theft Auto. So it is apparent that car theft is a problem, so I hope I can convince the board to offer quick-release steering wheel hubs on our Civic and Accord platforms to ensure consumer protection. And now that you guys know the gist of what I'm talking about, I'm going to move on to the problem. So check out this video of a clever car thief from the website yourdailymedia.com, in which a car thief steals a vehicle. As you can see, this car thief cleverly puts some cans attached to this person's exhaust pipe. And he quickly goes and hides. Later, as the driver comes back, she doesn't inspect her vehicle at all, and she just begins to take off. As she takes off, she hears the rattling of the cans, and she stops her car and gets out. The problem here, which you will see, is that she leaves her keys in ignition, just as the thief hopes, and he quickly steals her car.
Oh my God.
The problem there, as you can see, is that this woman, she didn't inspect her car at all, not even to the slightest bit. She could have just merely walked to the back of her car, maybe just like get something out, get a water out of her trunk or something, but she didn't do that. So no inspection was present, and thus she got her car jacked. And according to CNBC writer Cindy Perman, in America, there are between 800,000 to 1 million car thefts each year. The number 1 and 2 top car to steal is the Honda Accord and the Honda Civic. Notice how I said Honda Accord and Honda Civic. So I see a huge problem here regarding our company's reputation. Out of all companies, who want their company to be dubbed as, or wearing the banner like, "My doors are unlocked, come take me." So this is really bad reputation for a company. And thus, now that I've shown you guys the problem, I'm now ready to move on to the solution. So the solution I propose is the whole idea of a quick release for your steering wheel. The quick release allows the car driver to easily take off their steering wheel and either take it with them or put it in the trunk. Here's an example of how the quick release works. And it's on a Civic, a Honda Civic.
Got an EG hatchback with an energy quick release, energy hub, an RE steering wheel. We wired in the horn on this car to work, so go ahead and pop it on. The car's running right now. Go ahead, hit the button. Okay, turn the steering wheel a bunch of different ways.
So as you can see, in that model there is no airbag, so it wouldn't meet federal regulations.
Basically, we wired in the contact
But in
plates
our
for
version,
the
we
steering wheel
would
and
adapt
an operation to
an
work
airbag.
properly. You can do this on most Hondas and most other cars, just depending on how the steering column was designed.
So this video is provided by YouTube by a person named Project ImportCom. So, I believe that these aftermarket companies such as Momo, Energy, and Sparco, which have already started this quick release idea process, that we should follow their example. I believe it is a solution to that previous car owner's person's loss, because all she had to do is that she would have her steering wheel in the trunk, and she would walk back, get out her steering wheel, and then then put it back on her car. So then she would have saw the cans, and then she would have taken them off so that she wouldn't leave her keys in ignition. So I strongly encourage our company to begin research and development of the quick release steering wheel hubs now, as in today, so we can successfully launch our first quick release equipped models in our 2014 Civic and Accord lineups. So now I'm going to bring you back to our company's motto. Honda's motto is the power of dreams. And car theft is real, and it is a problem that our company faces that can affect our sales and affect our company's reputation. We want to make sure that we sell secure products for our consumers, and that through the innovation of the whole idea of the quick release steering wheel hubs, that the consumers are safe when they have our vehicles. So, if you want the security to know that your car is protected at all time, begin research and design